morning. Today we study about Bharat and Science, chapter first, class 9. In this chapter, we study about the science. First one, briefly, in this chapter, we study about meaning of science, then branches of the science, and in science, scientific methods, steps. Okay, so first one is the meaning of science. What is science? In ancient time, the Vigyan word is Rig Veda. There is a reference of the word Vigyan is Rig Veda. The word Vigyan is originated from the Sanskrit word. The Vigyan word is originated from the Sanskrit, which refers to specific knowledge like rain. Rain is the knowledge, but study of the process of cloud formation to the Pacific or rain is the knowledge. So, as a definitions, we say that science is the intellectual and practical activity encompassing of the systematic study of the structure and behavior of the physical and natural world, though observation and experiment means step-wise study is known as the science. Then, branches of the science. In natural science, there are two categories here. First one is the physical science, and second is the life science. In physical science, we study about the non-living, and in life science, we study about the living things. In physical science, otherwise, in non-living things, first one is the physics, that's chemistry, zoology, astronomy, and mathematics. And second hand, the life science. In life science, we study about the living things, means medical science, botany, and zoology. Now, I summarize it in briefly. In physical science, in physics means non-living things, means atoms, about the atoms, electrons, like that, circuit, electric circuit, we study in physics. Then chemistry, all the chemical reactions which are occurring in our nature, studying the chemical, about the chemicals is known as the chemistry. And then geology, about our earth, geology, astronomy. In this branch of the science, we study about the astrology, means astronomy like star, sun, moon, etc. In mathematics we have the calculations, Pythagoreans, etc. Then life science. Life science is the medical science. Medical science means disease, about the disease, what is the cure, how to cure the disease, like that in medical science. Then botany, about the plants, we study in the botany. In zoology, about the animals. So, such type of the branch which study about the relative is known as the such branch, like that. In botany, we study about the plants, which is known as the botany. In zoology, we study about the animals, their behavior, what is their food, they are herbivorous or carnivorous, like that. So, this is known as the zoology.